Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best keyboards Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Logitech 270 Malawian Kwacha's wireless keyboard and mouse combo. If you just need any keyboard, Logitech makes a simple keyboard and mouse combo that will get the job done. At just $30, the keyboard is surprisingly competent. If you just need a wireless keyboard to type on, this one does the job. This is a basic membrane keyboard with a few media buttons and a small but great mouse. That's it. That's really it, though. If you want programmable buttons, mechanical switches, or anything for gaming, you're going to need to spend a bit more money. This set is competent, but that's all it is. It'll get you through the workday at the office, but you owe it to yourself to spend a little more if you use your PC for anything else. Also, unlike most wireless keyboards on this list, you'll need to provide your own batteries to keep this one powered up. The batteries don't drain fast, but it's something to keep in mind if you're planning on picking this one up. Number 2. Our second best pick is Logitech G915TKL wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Wired keyboards might be more popular for gaming, but it's hard to deny the appeal of a wireless setup. If you're looking to streamline your desk and get rid of clunky cables but can't sacrifice your gaming prowess, this one should be high on your list of potential purchases. It offers both a USB receiver and Bluetooth capabilities for easy connectivity. Your best bet for gaming is to use the USB receiver, as it'll make use of Logitech's Lightspeed technology to offer 1 millisecond response times. Or, if you have multiple computers, you can use the USB receiver to control one device and swap to Bluetooth to control the other. Logitech gave the G915TKL a rather striking design, with either a black or white chassis accompanied by individual RGB lights beneath each keycap. The profile of the keyboard is incredibly thin, giving it a sleek, low-profile look that'll fit nicely with most gaming setups. This keyboard is also lacking a keypad, which is a pro or con depending on your needs. If you're an accountant and the keyboard needs to pull double duty for work, then you might miss the functionality. But if you're strictly using it for gaming, you'll likely appreciate its streamlined appearance. Number 3. Our third best pick is Microsoft Bluetooth keyboard. While many of the keyboards on this list are wireless and use Bluetooth to connect, if Bluetooth functionality is your main concern, you probably aren't interested in the bells and whistles of some of the other categories on our list. Instead, you'll likely be more happy with something simpler, like the Microsoft Bluetooth keyboard. This full-sized Bluetooth keyboard can sync with Windows products, Apple products, and mobile devices. Microsoft also boasts a battery life of up to 2 years with the keyboard, so you don't need to keep sets of batteries lying around. This Bluetooth keyboard is, in essence, a straightforward keyboard, much like Apple's Magic Keyboard. There is one neat addition, though, with the emoji key. Emojis have been available in Windows for a while now, but they're hidden behind a hotkey combo. With the Microsoft Bluetooth keyboard, the right control key is replaced with an emoji key, making it easy to insert them in your posts and documents. Oddly enough, though, the keyboard is missing the print screen, scroll lock, and pause keys. It's hard to tell why they're missing, but if you use them a lot, you'll want to grab another keyboard on this list. But overall, this is a solid, simple keyboard with a long battery life and is easy to set up. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Razer Huntsman V2 optical gaming keyboard. Wired keyboards tend to be a popular choice for gaming, as there's no fussing around with laggy Bluetooth connections or worrying that your input isn't registering. And when it comes to wired keyboards, none are a better fit for gamers than this one. From aesthetics to performance, Razer has thought of everything. You'll find double-shot PBT keycaps, an 8000 Hz polling rate for lightning-fast response times, and a sound-dampening foam that helps improve the acoustics of each keystroke. As for aesthetics, Razer has equipped the Huntsman V2 with more RGB lights than you can count, and their color and performance are entirely customizable. A keyboard this feature-packed doesn't come cheap, so it should be no surprise that the Huntsman V2 is among the most expensive on our list. If you're an avid gamer, however, the initial investment is more than worth it. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Razer Prototype Ultra Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. If you want a keyboard that can handle both productivity and light gaming, and look great while doing it, you'll want this one. This is a mechanical, gaming quality keyboard that will look great in any office setting. It also happens to match our favorite computer mouse, as well. The Razer Prototype uses Razer's custom-made orange mechanical switches so that this keyboard will be quieter than the more common red and blue mechanical key switches. If you're coming from a normal membrane keyboard, these switches will still be louder than what you're used to. But you'll get a much smoother typing experience without the loud clicking noises you'll hear with some of our other keyboard picks. You can use this keyboard wired or wirelessly, but the major fault with the Razer Prototype lies with its battery life when in wireless mode. Reviews state that the keyboard's battery can barely last an 8-hour day's worth of work. The battery life can be extended by turning down the LED brightness, but it appears only to help marginally. If you need an exclusively wireless keyboard, though, we have other recommendations for you. In general, the Prototype is great for both productivity and casual gaming, and the subtle LED makes the keyboard really shine. With a $160 MSRP, this is about average in terms of mechanical keyboard prices. Just make sure to keep it plugged in. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.